Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to work on the tailgate. I think there's a big design flaw in it, and I think other people have noticed that too. That's why they made skins to put on the tailgate to smooth it out and to clean up the lines. So I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to try to redesign it and make it look like it should have came from the factory that way. So here's the part I don't like. You have this transition that comes around the top nice and smooth with the lines. It follows the body line around as well as the bottom, blends right in. But then all of a sudden you have this fall off right here. It just looks awkward. It just looks like they forgot to do anything here. So my idea is to follow this like 1-inch line around and down to make a smooth transition point, and then follow this contour line down to it so it'll be a smooth, almost like a picture frame around the truck bed. And it should give a nice transition, but then go back to a traditional, truck tailgate. It has a little bit of lines to it, and instead of being just flat all the way across. This truck's more of a rugged stock truck than a full customized, smoothed out mini truck that you normally see. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I've gotta take the tailgate off, put it on the bench, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to use this poster paper. It's just thick paper, bendable, keeps it shaped pretty well. I'm going to use this to make a template and then transfer that over to the steel, and we'll go from there when I'm done. I'll time lapse this so it's not so boring. So it's just going to be just a lot of test fitting, cutting, test fitting until I'm satisfied. Okay, so this is how the template has worked out so far. It looks pretty cool. It's kind of what I envisioned, so I'm on to a good start, and we'll keep going forward. Okay, so here it is so far, bent. I still have a little bit of finesse to do to make it fit better, but it lays in there pretty good. And so now I just got to cut up the tailgate, fit it in, and do some more tweaking here and there. But pretty good. Okay, so this is it with the tacked in place. Not too bad of a fit. Pretty happy with it. Got it all on there. So I just have to do it one more time for the other side, get everything all tacked up. So I won't film it, won't bore you with it. You already seen what was done on this side, so I'm just gonna duplicate it, and we'll take it on from there. Okay, so this is what it looks like installed. I really think it turned out well, just the way I envisioned it. Actually thinking about it now, I should have did the tailgate first before I did the tail lights. That way I could see what it looked like with the stock lights on, but too late now. So anyways, I think it turned out really well. You can see how it blends together. Really happy with it. So here it is without the lights, so you can see it a little bit clearer, and here's with the lights. Okay, so pretty much how it's gonna look. I'm real happy with it. I think it turned out really well. So there you go. If you like the content, subscribe, like, and all that stuff. We'll see you in the next one.